Alright, guys, so this is FX trades setup, and I think we have a good sell opportunity on gold right now. So first of all, this is my actual setup. I did this analysis today, but I didn't take the trade, but I actually missed the first entry, which was around this level. I missed the first entry, so I'm actually waiting for the second entry to reverse back if let's see if it be NFP. So we are actually right almost close to NFP. So this is almost 1 p.m. and we are close. I mean 30 minutes 30 minutes more. We'll be going live to trade NFP. So now let's go down to the first of all, if I can clean the chart. Okay, let's clean the chart. Let's do some analysis so you guys can understand the stuff. Yeah. All right, let me clean the chat. Okay, so now if you go down, because I start my analysis from the daily time frame, let's go down to the daily time frame. Let's get some things done. Let's learn from each other. So if you look at the daily time frame, right, we got a shift in structure. We got this clear shift in structure. After taking the buy, we actually took a buy to our first take profit, which is the buy side delivery. So we got this shift in structure, and we got this sweep of this previous week, that is previous days high. So price gave us, I think I was monitoring price. Price gave us a open high. Now it's now getting low. I think I want price to close below this candle. So that's what I'm expecting, because we got this draw on liquidity, this gap here. I told you I'm more of a trader that trade more fair value gap, because fair value gap are areas where price basically react from. So we got this fair value gap around this level, which will still have a very strong premium buying opportunity. This level is going to give us a strong buy toward the next draw on liquidity. You see, our next delivery will be around this level. I think we have much pips to catch on, and I want you guys to be really active on this trade. We have more pips to catch on this gold. So I'm gonna make this video. I'm still gonna make the after of it. So now, what are we expecting? We expected gold to sell, but gold to give us a take. Our first take profit was hit yesterday. I took the sell on the Telegram channel. I shared it on Telegram channel. So I think our first take profit was hit, and everybody enjoyed the trade. We got profits. So now, what are we expecting on gold? I decided to move down to the 1 hour time frame, and I got this shifts. Price give us a sweep, divergence. Price give us, no, is it a 30 minute? Yeah, I go down to a 30 minute time frame just to understand what price is actually doing. So price give us this divergence, which is this around this level here. This level, this is divergence. So price decides to keep giving us respect of this order block, and we have a fresh order block that's not been mitigated. And notice we got this fair value gap. Now let me mark it out so you can see it. We got this divergence. Let me mark it. Divergence. Yeah, divergence. Yeah. So we got this divergence, right? And also we got this bearish down close engulfing candle, which is now our first key level, which is this one here. This bearish down closing. I noticed that the body is smaller than the wick, so we mark it completely as our key level. So price came, tap on it, right, and push higher. So we got this new this fresh low, right? We got this fresh low around this level here. So I'm not, because I don't like taking trades without order block mitigating order block, or on a fair value gap order block that mitigate and fair value gap. I don't like taking trades from there. I would rather take a trade from an order block that mitigate a fair value gap, or another block that mitigated a first order block. I don't take trades from this level here. I will take trades from the second one to confirm the sales. So I got this second order block. You notice how price respected this order block here. Let me use, I think I use the body and the wick. So I'm going to be marking it like this. just the top, yeah, something like this. So this was the second order block, price respected. And the third one, now we got this order block and also a fair value gap. The fair value gap, yeah, we got this fair value gap. And uh I'm receiving a call, sorry. We got this fair value gap on this the first push, the fair value gap, which there's a confluence for sales. So I didn't take the sales. I actually missed the sale because I was actually online teaching other people. So now we got this sell side sweep. Yeah, this sell side sweep. Yeah, we got this sell side sweep. So now we are waiting for the retracement. So to a key level. Remember, from external to internal. So we have this fresh order block and also a fair value gap. So I'm gonna be using the body of this other block. Yeah, here. Yeah, I'm using this body as our new key level, right? To where are we selling to? We have a lot of liquidity pools that are actually lying here, which price need to at least sweep. We have this one, this one, this one. I mean, price need to sweep all this, this liquidity, which the sell side liquidities that have been resting here. Then we want a delivery to our daily key level, which is the fair value gap. The fair value gap, right? So I think I'm to take trade from the my next key level, which is the M30, the M30 key level, to, let me mark it out. M30, this is the M30 key level, to, let's say, a fair value gap, which uh uh we are actually going to take trades from there. I mean, mark it up. Key level. I think key levels. Sorry. So that's how I'm taking my trades from. You notice how price took out the low, it's now rejecting to heading upward. It's now heading towards my key level. So once price get there, I'll be taking my sales from there to the downside. So let me just place my uh let me see my entry stops. I think my stop should be someone here. Then my targets should be at least below. Give us still not long above this. I'm thinking, yeah, we're long in above here. Or my target should be just around this level here or something below here, because I know price will dip down and give us a clean trade. So that's what I'm expecting, right? I'm expecting price to come back to this key level. Then I'll take my sales from there, because I love taking trades from key level. If price doesn't come back, it's fine. I wouldn't even stress myself to take any trade from that key level, because the key level is still fresh and absolutely interesting to take in trades from. So that's what I'm seeing on gold for today. I think so. GU got a 50% hits. I think we're still selling, right? We got this 50%. I exited from the 50%. I actually market 50% break even. I took the sell yesterday and also took the buy, but the buy was absolutely 50%. Do you know why I say 50%? Because of this volume imbalance. Notice how this volume imbalance is. This imbalance is very strong. It's stronger than this one here. This one and this one, you can compare it. You can compare this one here, let's say this volume imbalance, and also this retracement, they aren't the same. So let me say we are more of bearish. This bearish is more stronger. So I think price is now actually reacting from this fair value gap. Price is not trying to push and what dump. So that's what I'm expecting on GBP USD for now. Right now it's almost time to go NFP. So I'm gonna pause this trade and then we'll go more. We see the reaction, the what price gives us. Thank you guys, stay active. I'll read to you guys later. All right, guys, we actually took the sell, and you notice the drop of gold was, let me see, massive. The drop in gold here was absolutely massive, to be honest. Gold did a very good dirty job, to be honest. Yeah, gold did a very good dirty job. Get our take profit I shared earlier, and I told you guys after the sell side sweep, price retracing to a key level, and we take the sell. So why did I take this sell? I explained it to you guys earlier. So we got this divergence on gold, right? And if you check the DXY, I'm not going to check it because I'm just going to explain this to you so you guys can understand. If you check the DXY, you know that price might, let's say, give us a tick of that high, the recent high, which is something like this. Let's say DXY giving us something like this one high taken out and was change state delivery, right? But gold gave us something like this push, but it didn't take the high in what we call it divergence. I'm not going to show you, but this is what I know. You just need to learn this as a trader. So we got this divergence on gold, and also price hit our key level, which is on the daily time frame, right? And the buy will occur very soon, but I'm not actually trustworthy for the buy until we got confirmation for the buy. But we actually took the sales on NFP. And how did I take the sales? I think I explained you. I missed the first entry. My first entry should be from here. This key zone, this key level here is my actual first entry, but I miss it. The reason why I take the trade from this other block is because we got a fair value gap, right? And also we got another block. So this candle mitigate, balance this fair value gap and also another block, which verify this candle as a valid order block, right? This is a verified valid order block. An unverified valid order block is another that doesn't sweep a high or a low. Let's say an order block that just form itself and also has a very strong bullish candle. That is not an order block. That's not an order block. So one price retrace here, you just make noise and will stop you out. But price order block that's balance a fair value gap or mitigate a old order block is now verified as a new fresh order block. So now this is the old order block, right? Price tapped on it, which verified this as an old order block, right? So now we transfer the strength from this one here to this other block here. So now this other block is now our new fresh order block that has been mitigated, and also we got this fair value gap. I told you guys, another block without a fair value gap is just let me say a trap. It's just trying to trap you there. Once you get there, it gives you that move and stop you out later in the, let's say, few minutes or few hours, let's say the future. So that is how it's actually works. So today's trade was absolutely massive, and we got a very clean, let's say, the trade ratio was 1:5.33. And how many pips? Let's calculate how many pips we got today. We're up, let's say, we're up. I actually shared this trade on my Telegram channel, and we took a lot of money. We took a lot of funds here. So we're up 332 pips we got today. So today is a very good day, and today is gonna be the last day I'm trading this week. So our all trades today, let's say this week, when take profit, we got a very good take profit this week. To be honest, there was no loss. The trade was absolutely perfect. This week trade was clean, no losses, no losses, no losses. So we look out for next week. What are we expecting on gold? We are expecting a bullish move. No more bearish move, but bullish move, but with clear confirmation. See you later, guys. FXT trades.